So when we see the little 2 around the parentheses on the outside, it just means that we're multiplying 4 minus 3i times itself. So 4 minus 3i times 4 minus 3i. Okay. So we're going to distribute the 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times negative 3i is negative 12i. Now we're done with the 4. We're going to distribute the negative 3i. Negative 3i times 4 is, again, negative 12i. Negative 3i times negative 3i is positive 9, and then that's an I squared. Remembering that I squared equals negative 1, I'm going to mark out the I squared and change the sign to the opposite sign. So that plus 9 that I got when I multiplied negative 3 times negative 3 goes back to a negative. All right, so now I'm going to combine like terms. I've got a 16 and a negative 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. And then I've got negative 12 minus 12 is negative 24. And those are the I terms. So 7 minus 24i, that's my solution. And I hope that was helpful.